Every new year, cities around the world light up the sky with breathtaking fireworks. But have you ever wondered how technology makes these magical moments possible? Let's find out. From perfectly timed explosions to eco-friendly designs, modern fireworks are no longer just about fire, they're about technology. Today's fireworks are launched using computer-controlled systems. These systems allow fireworks to explode at the exact right moment, even matching music and countdowns. This makes the show more exciting and also much safer. Thanks to chemical engineering, fireworks now have brighter colors, unique shapes like hearts and stars, and longer lasting effects. Scientists carefully design each firework to create a perfect visual in the sky. Technology has made fireworks safer than ever. Electronic ignition and remote launching system allow professionals to control everything from a safe distance, reducing accidents and misfires. Modern technology also helps protect the environment. Many fireworks today produce less smoke, fewer harmful chemicals, and even less noise, making celebrations safer for animals and people. Some cities are now using drone light shows instead of fireworks. These drones use GPS and computer programming to create stunning patterns in the sky, all without pollution. So next time you watch New Year fireworks, remember, behind every spark is powerful technology, making the celebration safer, smarter, and more spectacular. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy New Year and thanks for watching.